Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to replace Siri with a ChatGPT on iPhone. Now in this video, I will show you how to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT to answer all your questions on your iPhone without having your iPhone to prompt you and ask you for permission. First thing to note, this only works on devices compatible with Apple Intelligence. So it works on your iPhone, it works on your Mac, and it also works on the iPad, as long as it's compatible with Apple Intelligence. Now, the second thing to note is that you do have to set up a ChatGPT account on your Apple Intelligence device. And now what you should do is to click on the settings on your iPhone on the bottom right side right here. Then you want to go and scroll down and go here to Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should scroll down till you find here extensions, and you can see here Chat GPT. Just tap on it. Then after that, here you can see Chat GPT extension. You just have to tap this option right here, use Chat GPT. And of course, as I mentioned, you have to log in into your account for ChatGPT on your Apple Intelligence device. Then you want to scroll down till you find here this menu or this option, confirm requests, and you have to toggle this option off. So after toggling this option off, you can now ask your Apple device any question and ChatGPT will answer you instead of Siri. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.